Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
Annual plant festival was held at St. Francis Xavier School. It was organized by Goa Heritage Eco Club. It concluded on Monday. This festival is celebrated for the last 21 days.
We have a lot of children participating, our students as well as parents, and the vibrant staff, the teachers. We conduct this program every year.
Bhakti Swarrang 2012 Kokani Bhajan Bhakti Sammelan will be held in Madgaon. It will be held on 14th October at Madgaon Ravindra Bhavan. It has been organized by Bhangrane Goa Asmitai in association with Art and Culture Department, Government of Goa.
गोयच्या ह्या चलिल्ल्या समृद्ध परंपरेन भितर कोंकणी भजन स्पर्धा, भक्ती स्पर्धा ही पहिल्याच वेळार गोयच्या माचयेर जाता. गोयच्या देवतांचो कोंकणीचो जो कितें भक्ती रचनाचो जो कितें आस्पाव आसा तो सगळ्या ह्या भक्ती संगीत संमेलनान भितर आसतलो.
Butukak Memorial Trust had organized a workshop on management of plastic and use. NSS and NCC students had taken part in this workshop.
सरकारांचेर जबाबदारी घालचे परस आमी समाजानच जरी जबाबदारी घेतली, भुरग्यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान प्लास्टिका विशींचे गैरवापर कसो जाता ते जर आमी सांगपाक केलें जाल्यार आमी खरेपणी कचऱ्याचेर विजय मेळोवपाक शकतली. आनी आमच्या संस्थेचे फादरान सांगलां तशें आमची इच्छा कांय ना, देवान जे पळय आमकां दवरला ते तरेन आमी पृथ्वी सांबाळची. आमचे भितरलो आत्मो आसा, समाजांत आसा, ह्या संवसारांत आसा आनी हो सगळो समतोल बरे तरेन सांबाळचो आनी आमच्या पृथ्वीची बरे तरेन राखण करची.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. In a shocking expose of an irregularity in the birth date of a state cricketer, Shashikant Sardessai and his associates have produced two birth dates of Goa's highest profile cricketer Shadab Jakati. Sardessai, who has been fighting against GCA since the end of Danan Narvekar's regime, has also demanded the appointment of an arbitrator so that grievances of clubs can be heard.
आमचो जो GCAचे रूल्स आसात, रूल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स, त्या रुल्साच्या 19वा कायदो रूल असो अशें म्हणटा की आर्बिट्रेटर आसता पळय. आता प्रश्न असो आसा की आता 1 महिनो आणि 7 दीस जाल्लेले आसात आणि 1 महिनो 7 दीस जावन अजूनही GCAन आर्बिट्रेटर कोणतो अजून अपॉइंट केल्लो आमकां खबर ना. ताच्या पयलीं हे सगळें जावच्या पयलीं कोर्टान बिटान वचच्या पयलीं आमच्या म्हायती प्रमाणे आमकां अशी माहिती मेळ्ळेली की ताणें एक आर्बिट्रेटर अपॉइंट केला. आता हे आर्बिट्रेटर केन्ना अपॉइंट करतले आणि तो अपॉइंट कसो करतले, कित्याक आर्बिट्रेटर हो तुमी तुमचोच जर नेमलो जायत जाल्यार ही मे बी अ बायस. कित्याक सांग, हे जर ते आर्बिट्रेटर जर नेमिना जायत जाल्यार इट कॅन बिकम अ कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट. कित्याक कोर्टान जर सांगला की आमी आर्बिट्रेटरा कडेन वचपाक जाय म्हणून, तर हाऊ कॅन वी गो टू द आर्बिट्रेटर. जर GCAन अजून आर्बिट्रेटर नेमूंक ना जाल्यार म्हाका आतां आय एम फ्री टू गो टू हायकोर्ट ना, अशें जाता. हांव आयज ओपनली तांकां एक हें दिता, रिक्वेस्ट करता जाय म्हणा तुमी की तांकां एक 8 दीस दिता. आज तारीख 27 आसा आयज. तांणी 4-5 तारखेच्या फुडलो जो संडे येता ताच्या पयलीं आर्बिट्रेटर कोणतो नेमचो.
Now look at this certificate issued by the Directorate of Planning, Statistics and Evaluation. Shadab Jakati's birth date has been mentioned as 27th November 1980. Now see this, a computerized certificate from the same department, but there is a glaring irregularity in the date of birth, which is mentioned as 27th June 1979. The BCCI has registered Shadab's birth date as 27th November 1980. Of late, since Ganesh Raj Narvekar was banned from cricket for 6 years, there have been allegations that some more players are still playing despite multiple birth dates. We tried contacting Shadab Jakati, but his phone was switched off. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Panji.
Father Agnel High Secondary School won the North District Subroto Cup Under 17 Boys Championship with a 2-0 victory over St. Joseph High School. Our Lady of Rosary from Mandre finished in the 3rd place. The matches were played at Pede Ground in Mapsa.
Father Agnel High Secondary School from Pilar proved too strong for St. Joseph Kalangut in the final. Neri Fernandez and Clinton Pinto scored 1 goal each to take the Pilar team to victory. In the 3rd place playoff, Our Lady of Rosary from Mandre overcame the challenge of Our Lady of Grace from Bicholi by 5 goals to 2. Here are some highlights. Our reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.